so sorry. आप सबसे मैं शूटिंग कर रहा था हैप्पी न्यू ईयर के लिए फिल्म सिटी में और थोड़ी देर हो गई सेट पे और वहाँ से निकलते निकलते गोरेगांव से यहाँ पहुँचते पहुँचते आप तब तो जानते हैं कि हमारे रोड्स कितने अच्छे हैं और तो मैं क्षमा चाहूँगा ये सब टाइम पे थे मैं थोड़ा लेट आया हूँ तो इसके लिए मैं क्षमा चाहूँगा सॉरी जाए
Abhishek, would you like to sing for everyone, maybe?
Uday
is the singer. Uday?
मेरा गला खराब है.
Sorry, I'll try.
Okay, good evening, welcome. We're ready to answer any questions if you have any for the press conference of Dhoom 3, which releases on the 20th of December. और अगर आपके कोई सवाल हो, हम लोग हाजिर हैं.
Yeah, good evening to all. This is Raj from media. It's for Amir Khan. What changes do you find in your life after the shoot of Dhoom 3?
Sorry, I didn't hear properly.
What changes do you find in your life
after shoot of Dhoom 3?
Yeah.
You know, two changes. One is after the work of Dhoom 3 is over, I'm extremely stressed and nervous because now I have only the release to wait for. So that is a big change in my life. And the other change is that I'm missing all of them here. Because we used to spend a lot of time together and I was just complaining to Abhishek and to Katrina and to Uday that they've all gone on with their own lives and I want to spend time with them. The release is coming close. So they've all promised to be together. And 13th onwards, am I right? 13th onwards, we're going to chill together and kind of encourage each other before the release of the film.
Good evening, Vijay Shankar here from the media and in classical dance as well.
Sir, एक minute pause हो जाइए. Can I ask somebody from the production to just turn one of the speakers towards us because we can't hear the questions.
There's no monitor here, so I can't hear.
एक ऐसे घुमा दो भैया. आराम से.
Yeah,
शाबाश.
Now, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
Vijay Shankar here. I'm from the media and also a classical dancer.
Okay, that's wonderful.
This is just a brief intro, otherwise you'll get bored. Well, could you tell us about your experience with tap dancing, because I read about it.
Yeah, it was, I had mentioned to Victor many months ago that tap is a kind of dance that I've always wanted to learn. Then a few months later, he discussed with Adi and then they said, yaar, the title track that we are supposed to shoot on you, why don't you do the tap in that? So I was kind of taken aback and I said, okay, let me give it a shot. And in my head, I always imagined tap to be what we've seen of Gene Kelly and Fred Astaire, very light on the feet and very graceful. So in my head, I was thinking of that kind of tap. But when Adi selected the choreographer, which is Tap Dogs, is the company which has choreographed the tap song in Dhoom, their style is completely different. It's a very modern style of tap. It's very grungy, very strong power. There's a lot of emphasis on power and speed. So I got a bit of a shock when I saw that as well. I was like, I wasn't expecting this. But it was fun. I kind of threw myself into it and I was in Sydney for a month training with them. And they were really patient with me and helpful. I'm not a very good dancer, I have to admit. I think if Hrithik would have done the song, it would have been much better. I think Shahid would have done a really great job. Prabhudeva or Govinda, these are the really good dancers.
But you have a fine sense of rhythm, and rhythm is very important for tap dancing.
Yeah.
And how much time did it take for you to get the right rhythm?
Well, I'm not quite sure that I still got it. But I just, I had a month. I didn't have more than a month. I mean, I trained for 15 days in Bombay and then a month in Sydney, so I had 45 days of training. I would imagine that something like this, learning any dance form, the minimum that you need to spend with it is 2 years before you can actually, really get the dance. But I didn't have the luxury of the time and I had to make do with the 45 days that I had. So I did the best I could.
Thank you so much. Nice meeting all of you.
Thank you.